Welcome to Running Deer Outdoor Adventures. I'm Zach. Today we're going to tie a stonefly. I already got started. I got my bead on, got my wrap on for the material. So it's not sliding all over. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do, you cut 2 chunks of this feather. That's going to be your tail. Chunk number 1. Chunk number 2. Alright, so from what I've seen and learned about length of the shank, tie that first one on like that. Hard to focus it. Like so. The same thing, roughly about there. Okay. Got leftover pieces there. Trim that up. As long as everything cooperates. Okay, so now you got your tail. It's not the best, but it'll fish. So now we're going to take, you can use copper wire, black wire, brass wire, anything to add a little bit of flash to it. Find my end here. We'll need like 3 inches. Not even. It's enough to get around it. Alright, so this next step, I'm going to use some gray rabbit dubbing. There's all sorts of different types of dubbing. This is just what I have on hand for now. I'm going to try to do this the best I can with a camera right in front of the vise here. Let's do it this way. So you're going to pull out about 3 inches. And we're going to do what's called a dubbing loop. So it's not going to be just twisting it on and depending on the dubbing itself to kind of bind to the line. You don't want to twist it on all the way, just keep it loose. so what we're going to do, pull it down. Put some hackle pliers on it. Oh, we're sliding. Get up there. Yep. Alright, so we got our loop all tied off. Try to keep tension on that. We got limited space. Alright, so there's our dubbing. We can clip that off. Looks a little extra fuzzy, but that's okay. Like I said, we're not using the correct dubbing for this. Throw a half hitch in there. Now we'll tie our wire around. And what I do, I'll wrap it around so it's not as much. Alright, so spool that up a little bit. Tie that on there. Okay. Now, take your little whip finish tool. There you have it. Stonefly nymph. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Like I said, if you're gonna laugh at it, well, at least subscribe. Help me out. I'm Zach from Running Deer Outdoor Adventures, and we will catch you guys later.